Because it's not a holiday tax relief for us. We continue to pay GST on our rent, our gas, electricity.
The federal goods and services tax holiday launched on Saturday, but businesses aren't required to adopt it. The tax exemption is meant to help families save amid inflation, with GST exempt from restaurants, groceries, most alcoholic beverages, and many items for infants. But not all businesses are seeing the benefit.
And I said, no, we're not doing it. We continue to pay taxes, GST on it, and we pay and we write that off against what we collect. So it's going to cost us money.
Dylan's, a local mom and pop shop in Vancouver, has made it clear to customers dining at their establishment that they are not participating in the tax break.
It should be an all or none. I can't see why it has to be a nickel and dime thing here and a nickel and dime thing there. It's either all or none. It's just too complicated, way too complicated.
It is not mandatory for businesses to participate, which means they can continue to operate and collect taxes like normal. They, of course, have to remit taxes like normal.
The Canadian Federation of Independent Business says the terms around the tax holiday have been poorly communicated to business owners.
It's been incredibly confusing for small business owners, both in the province and across the rest of the country. It does become an option and really a business decision on competitiveness if they can, afford to do it versus their competitors who are doing it.
Any kind of relief right now for people is a good thing. We're certainly busy this weekend. We saw a lot of smaller groups that I think would have been attributed to that.
Meanwhile, dining establishments like Tap and Barrel say they're seeing more seats filled and hope the holiday tax break will continue to bring in business during the slower months after the Christmas rush.
If it's something that's going to encourage people to get out and enjoy themselves a little bit more and get out and dine with us in the new year, I think it's a great thing.
The holiday tax break will be in effect until February 15th of next year. Customers who have been charged GST on eligible items during this time, the CFIB says to save your receipts and claim the tax when submitting your 2025 federal tax return. In Vancouver, Angela Bauer, City News.